Hi, good morning. My name is Ayleen, and I am a bilingual pediatric SLP in the North Texas area. My journey to private practice began when I was an assistant at a private practice for 3 years. I worked closely with the owner, who was also my supervisor, so I got to learn a lot of things about owning a private practice. So I knew then I wanted to do that. I went back to graduate school, graduated 2 years ago, and I invested in this program last year. I actually bought it in July of last year, but I didn't really get into it until the fall. Before that, I was afraid, and I didn't have any idea. Sort of had an idea, but not really on how to start and all the legal implications of things. So it was fear that was keeping me away from starting and jumping on, until I saw Jenna's Facebook ads or Instagram, and the way a video it was, I remember, and she was saying, do you want to be your own boss? Set your own time, put your own rate or something like that. And I'm like, yes, yes, yes. And that's when I decided, yep, I'm gonna get it. So I got it. Like I said, I started the modules. What I really liked about this program is that each module has something that you can download and print, like checklist. Or I really like the beginning one where it was applying your private practice, and I knew what I wanted to do and how I wanted to do it, but it wasn't until I put it on paper that I could visualize it. So that helped a lot. And I also like the support group, the Facebook group. They're very supportive, and we all have the same questions, and we're just cheering on each other, right, in this journey. And we celebrate each other's accomplishments. I got everything done thanks to those modules. I got Jenna's forms as well. And I set up everything up in February. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to start then because of the pandemic. But now I'm ready to go. And I have my first client scheduled this next month for an evaluation. So I'm excited. So if you're still on the fence about it, if you have fear, uncertainty, we all do, and we all started there. But this program will help you build your confidence, and I see it like as an investment, and it was very helpful, and everyone's helpful. So just do it. Don't be afraid, and you have everyone here on the Facebook group to support you. Thank you, and you guys have a great day. Bye.